Hi, welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to plan for the month of June and this is my Erin Condren 8x10 softbound. So first of all I'm going to set up this page and this is pretty simple for me. I just use it to put a piece of art essentially. So let me get an example for those of you who are new. I use this little label that comes from the art add-ons that you'll see in a second whenever I show you the kit for this month. I put that there just because it doesn't say the month anywhere here. And then, like I said, a piece of art. And this month's piece of art, and I've used this a few years ago, I think, in a planner, I can't remember. But I really love it, and it says thank you for being my guiding light. It's a little lighthouse, but June is our anniversary month, so I thought that'd be dead cute. And then the washi that I'm going to put at the top and bottom to go with it is just simply this ash purple washi from MT. Very plain, so we'll do that real quick and then I'll show you the main kit and we'll get into the main planning part. There we are, easy peasy. So the theme for June is a rose and we have all the flowers basically, and I've ordered the next 6, they're not quite here yet, so there'll be a haul for them coming soon. But we have a rose for June, nice and romantic for my anniversary month. So we have the main kit itself, thick washies and the days, and then 2 thinner washies. And then this is the second sheet. And then the last sheet. And then as well as that, my add-ons. I have this washi add-on. It's like washi paper on a sticker sheet with the cut out heads and flower. This version and then the planner version. Like coffee and a planner and pencil and stuff. It's the same every month, just changed to suit the theme. And then sticky notes. And add on 1.3 inch labels. And then because it's got like the rosy pink, I lifted out this washi that is Floral Forest version 1 with a pale pink background in case I need any extra spaces filled in or anything. And then in here I have, that's the art piece I was talking about. They come in a sheet with the 6 of them on and then the little, where is it, June label or whatever the month happens to be. And then I have a seal and then some extra washi doodles. These are actually roses that are from a separate floral sheet that the Coffee Monsterz Co makes, but I just put them together because I thought why not. And then I also have, she released the vinyls all at once, so I have my next 6 vinyls here plus additional little flowers that might potentially go with some of them. But like I said, I'll show you those kits in the next haul whenever they come, and I'll be using these for today. So I'm actually just going to lift this out and set it to the side, and then I don't have to keep this book on my desk. And speaking of keeping this book on my desk, while I'm at it I might lift out my holidays. These are from Coffee Monsterz Co, or not holidays, like events. And these are the ones that I use in the month. But we'll talk about what they are in a second. I'm just gonna lift them out for now. And then these ones I'll use in the week. And then the last thing I need to lift out are my numbers. And I use Planner Monkey Co numbers. Here we have a set. These are like a pale grey. The code is HS40. And they're handy because I redate. I don't like a Sunday start, I like a Monday start. Let's get the basic layout down and then we will plan. And there's a song, if you've ever watched 7 Brides for 7 Brothers, about they say when you marry in June. That always comes into my head, and my anniversary's in June. And I'm going to be sitting singing it now all afternoon. Anyway, right, let's bring the month base down.
Side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love. Lonesome dove. Folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Remember could really use some stuff like that.
Plans. Okay, so the first thing I need to put down is on the 3rd, and it is my nail and lash appointment. And I actually have more than just the 2, so I'm not going to use these like I normally do. I will just pick a label instead, and I'm going to just put them all down now. I always tell myself I'm going to go one day at a time, and I never do, so I might as well just be honest with myself from the start. I'll use these 4. So that's one on the 3rd. One on the 10th, 17th and 24th. And then I'm going to get a little icon to go with it. Let's see what we have. Did I buy... I always forget about these. No, I didn't. Don't think. I was thinking, did I buy nail polish bottles in these tiny icons? But I didn't. Oh well, doesn't matter. I will use my main ones. I don't know why I bought tiny icons, to be perfectly honest, when I use such a large planner, but I'm sure I'll have use for them at some point. Anyway, that goes in health and self-care. Let's see. There. I've used these nail polish bottles. The purple will be nice with the kit. These are from oh my word, mental blank. Fox and Pip. Right, then let's do birthdays next. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3. So I think I'm going to use these 3, but I'm going to cover the little smiley face. What is my camera doing? Stop that, please. Less of that nonsense. Anyway, I might cover the wee faces with balloons, but I only have 2 sets of balloons. But in my little book here, I have built up my birthday collection, so I might use them instead. So yeah, let's see. Right, so we have here on the 10th is a birthday. Or I could just keep the smiley face and then put the balloons at the other side. Why not? Anyway, right, so we have the 10th and then we have the 19th. And then the 22nd. Trying to pay attention because last month I put it on totally the wrong day and didn't even notice until after one of the birthdays. I don't know what possessed me. I'd pre-planned it wrong as well. Anyway, obviously wasn't paying attention. So that's those, and then let's see what little icon. See, I have little balloons. I have tons. I think I'm going to go with the whole icon, or well, not icon, like doodle type route. So let's do grey, green and pink to match the colours of the kit. Perfect. And then events. So we have Father's Day. This little icon is so cute. Can you see it? Little dad with a moustache. I've said this before, but my dad, I was a child in the 80s and everybody had moustaches then, apparently. But I just think of him, you know, and as my childhood, because he always had a moustache. Anyway, did your dad have a moustache in the 80s if you were a child then? Right, so Father's Day and then our 12th anniversary. Crazy. It feels like yesterday I was sitting talking about hitting the milestone of 10 and that was 2 years ago. But anyway, let's put that in here. And then summer starts on the 20th. And it is also my payday. Yep. So let's do a little money. And that is everything. I don't I only put in the same with my weekly planning. I only put in the things that I know. But for those of you who are new, I completely fill out my monthlies, even if it's something like minor, and I put it in anyway. And then if I don't have anything at all to put in, I'll put in like a little doodle. Let me show you a completed month. And this is actually a free digital that came in the newsletter, and I didn't have anything to put in the 28th, so I just stuck that in. But I love this look, and for me, before I started doing this, I only started last year, but before I started doing this, the months were always a bit pointless for me, but now it's filled with, you know, I use it at the start planning wise, functionally, but it's also then a memory thing by the end of the month. So anyway, let me get a pen, and I'm going to use my Muji gel pen because it's sitting beside me and I'm too lazy to use anything else, and write in everything I need to write in. Right, now everything's in here, so we just have the dashboard left. This is where I do my currently watching, first of the month. I keep a little thing for the themes of my journals, and then I have the theme of this month in here. That's what I use the little seal for. And then this is where I do my weekly themes. As you can see, I've already done week 22. And just to give you an example of that, there we go, here's April's. I haven't actually been watching very many films recently, so this page hasn't been getting as much use, but I'm not going to change it because we're halfway through the year. I've been recording what I'm reading in the actual weeks, but if it continues, I might divide it next year and do like currently watching, currently reading. But knowing me, I'll come out of my reading phase as soon as I change it and have loads of films to watch and then have no room. So for now, I'm just going to hold off and keep it the same. So let's get this all set up.
To me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors, summer love. Turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air-conditioned blues. Could use some too. Space in a single sail, white rocky island, you and I on the trail, just us and the way.
Right, so that's all the stickers that I need for the month in here, ready to go whenever it gets to Saturday. And then I have my month all set up on my little cover and the monthly, and the dashboard. I never feel, it's funny, like I always get this sense of preparedness when I do my monthly. Like I'm ready for the month to start now. Even though it's only putting a couple of stickers down. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed hanging out, and I will see you again really soon. Bye!
No need to behave in the heart